Epoxy floor coatings are gaining traction across industrial, commercial, and high-spec environments, thanks to durability, chemical resistance, and life cycle value. In 2024, the global epoxy floor coating market is valued at $2 billion. The market is set to expand at a 5% CAGR, reaching $4 billion by 2032. By revenue, epoxy floor coatings in 2024 break down approximately as Asia-Pacific 41%, Europe 26%, North America 21%, Latin America 7%, Middle East and Africa 5%. North America epoxy floor coating market in 2024 is estimated at $1 billion with 4% CAGR to 2030. Europe's epoxy floors benefit from regulated environments, pharma, food, EV supply chain, and modernization of industrial real estate. Latin America's epoxy floor coatings track logistics expansion, automotive, food and beverage, and e-commerce warehouses. In the Middle East and Africa, 2024 floor coatings revenue was $1 billion, with 5% CAGR. Visit our website www.verifiedmarketresearch.com. Connect with us at inquiries@verifiedmarketresearch.com.